today. The guys finished out some circuitry. They were able to roll the engine over. Well, they blew it down, which basically opens up the test cocks on all the cylinders. Everything looked good there when we rolled it over, blew it down. Did some other quick checks to make sure that we could start and or stop the diesel portion of the locomotive. So we are up to the point now where we're going to put fuel to it, put compression on it, and start it.
You want to prime it?